Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Hancock Whitney. They are offering a new $300 sign-up bonus. This is available for multiple states, and even if you don't qualify for the states in, I do have some nationwide offers for you to take advantage of. Before we jump into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I just applied, and I'll show you what it looks like to apply to be a new customer for Hancock Whitney. I've been a customer with them for 4 times now. This is about to be my 5th time. I'm not affiliated with them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the information is current as of the time of this recording, and all the screenshots are from their website. So when's the last time your bank paid you for your direct deposit? You can easily turn your direct deposit into its own side hustle, and that's just one of many ways to make money off of banks. So how much money am I talking about? Well, I have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. I want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $3,000 from these videos from the year 2023. If you can appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, do me a favor and hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Definitely appreciate that. So this offer is available in Louisiana, Mississippi, Florida, Alabama, and the best state of all, Texas. So this does expire 10/31/2023. I did make a video previously in regards to they have a $400 bonus, but with that one you had to have 5,000 in there to keep it fee free. This one's better. Anyway, so I mentioned that if you don't have, if you're not in these states, here's some nationwide offers that are really cool. Stash, they're constantly sending me free stocks, which is really cool. They have stock parties. So this is literally how you can turn $5 into not the normal $20 offer they have, but to turn it into $40. So it's a really fun game watching them. You know, you click the link and they say, not so much. And then they start sending you emails. Hey, and then you make money off of it. So it's nationwide offer. I've been getting a lot of emails about checks and how people get denied for checks, and I've been denied for checks. So about to talk about that in a minute. So Stash does not have checks pulls. Is it the biggest bonus ever? No, but is it quick and easy? $40? Yeah. So quick and easy bonus. That's what we're about here. Love Stash. Love what they have to offer. So definitely recommend it. Check out the video linked over here. Next one is Western Union. So there's no checks pull here. Nationwide, quick and easy, $20. Literally, player one can send money to player two. If you have money you send to anybody for whatever reason, get $20. Amazon gift card on it. So definitely recommend it. I've done this one. So link on this video here. So a couple quick and easy bonuses nationwide. All right, so in regards to Hancock Whitney, so Chase Bank taught me that it pays to be a new customer. I was a customer for them for over 20 years, and then saw advertisement online. It said new checking customers $300 bonus, and I was like, well, what do you got for loyal customers? And the banker said nothing. I was like, well, why should I stay loyal if you're not gonna if you pay new customers so much money? So Chase Bank taught me that they pay to be a new customer. Hancock Whitney was the second one. So 4 years, 4 direct deposits, $1,200, which is about to be 6 years, 5 direct deposits, and 1,500. So yay, that's an awesome thing. I mean, literally, you get paid to open an account over and over. It used to be every calendar year. Now they switched it to every other calendar year. So shout out to friend of the channel, Craig. He sent this email. He said, "Hello, I enjoy your content and want to ask you a question. I have been denied accounts due to checks." Well, join the club. That evil serial guy checks. I literally do about 12 to 20 bonuses a year, and institutions have recently denied me based upon too many inquiries. I did a checks report and have no negative stuff at all. Ditto. And everything's literally perfect except for it shows lots of inquiries. Have you had this yet? Yes. My checks literally reads like a phone directory for like all the credit unions and banks out there. So this would be a great video to do on the topic. Yeah, so I definitely do plan on making additional videos just about checks, what it is, and stuff like that. Why it's so frustrating when I kind of don't understand when people don't want to take money. It's like, look, I've cashed in some investments. I want to put money into CDs, and I like what y'all have to offer. Yes, I've opened up multiple accounts recently, but I like what y'all have to offer. Oh, we can't offer you because you got too many inquiries. Well, my money's green. Is that cool? No, I don't. I don't get it. Literally, if I'm wanting to put in 100,000 into a bank, they literally said no. But anyways, there's a thing called the golden rule. He who's got the gold makes the rule, and it doesn't always make sense to us as people who are looking to get bonuses and CD funding and stuff like that. But yeah, Hancock Whitney does not pay pull checks. So, pro tip: if you're traveling to any of these states, stop by your local Hancock Whitney in person. Say, hey, can I get that bonus? And you won't get a check pull. So there's that. Hancock Whitney. If you've never heard of them, they are A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. 5 complaints in the last 3 years. I mean, that is phenomenal. In business, years in business, 141, which is phenomenal. So, link to this offer, HancockWhitney.com/Gokes Tigers 300 FB. Here's a QR code, link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures at gmail.com. So, originally, I was going to do the $400 offer, but you got to keep $5,000 in there to keep it fee free. And it's like, I can make a lot more off $5,000 than $100. So, when you click that link, here's what it looks like. Gokes Tigers, official bank of LSU Athletics, earn a 300 bonus. Show your Tiger pride with every purchase, plus earn a $300 bonus. Yes. Mike T. Tiger, that's Mike's eye right there. So, open a new freestyle checking account and get your LSU debit card. I've got like all their debit cards because I have a bunch of different ones. So that's pretty cool. No minimum balance, early pay, get paid up to 2 days early. No monthly fee when you perform just one transaction per month. So that's pretty cool. Earn your $300 bonus. Love it when they got the 3 easy steps. Number 1, complete the form below. We'll send your promo code to your email address. 2, use your promo code to apply online. Bring the promo code to your nearest financial center by 10/31/2023. 3, open your account and complete qualifying activities by 12/31/2023. So here's what it looks like to grab your code: first name, last name, email, zip code. Make sure your information matches what you're actually going to put on. And there is Mike T. Tiger right there. He doesn't have his debit card in hand, so I don't know what's going on with that. Anyway, so click get my promo code, and they are the official bank of LSU Athletics, plus the New Orleans Saints and a few other places, the Raging Cajuns. So that is them. Fine print. It used to be, so when I first got into this game, it was every calendar year. Now it's limit of 1 customer checking related bonus every 2 calendar years. So there is that. So I was able to get it my first 4 years of hitting bank bonuses. Year 5, which was 2022, I was not able to get it. So 2023, I'm getting in. And so since I'm signing up this year, then I got to sit out 2024. I'll be able to get in again 2025. They do have a $20 service charge if you close out the account within 180 days. There's mixed reactions as to whether they actually do charge the fund or the fee. So earn your bonus, open online at nearby financial center, or you got to use your promo code by Halloween. You need $300 in direct deposits to get a $300 bonus, which is phenomenal. That's basically doubling your money, which is really nice. So once you click on the link, here's me applying for the thing because this one I'm actually doing. They're not pulling checks, so it should be good to go. Promo code has been applied for freestyle checking, so refer to your coupon code for offer details. Okay. Get started. So I'm starting as a new client, and Hancock Whitney is weird on account of, so if I go to their website, it still has my old username and password in there. And when you get back in, you can still use your same old username and password. So I just hit as a new client. Who's opening an account? Just me. So you got products, applicants, disclosures, features, and make your deposits. So that's the promo code. Consent to contact. Sure, they sent me a text message about calling them back. I need to call them back today. Mobile consent. Are you a U.S. citizen? Yes, I am. A bit more about John. Your address, zip code, city, state, and then employment status, social security number. Backup withholding, no, I'm not subject to that. W-9 tax certification, sure, we're good. Credit report disclosure. So it says consumer report. They do a soft pull, basically. It's just to confirm your information. I have literally like every single credit reporting thing like known to man. Anytime anything happens, I reply for credit card. I have like 60 text messages and a whole bunch of emails. It's nuts. So I can assure you that there's no hard pull. Personal identification. Um, so basically, driver's license, your ID number, what state, issue date, expiration date, standard fare. Electronic consent, disclosures, agreements. So continue. Consumer accounts. So overdrafts. I never, ever, 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 ever recommend the overdraft because the only way you can get overdraft fee is to have the overdraft protection. And then opening deposit. So this is always a fun game where it says use my debit card because sometimes debit card can also mean credit card. So I tried it to see sometimes if it could work. So I plugged in my credit card. You can do 500 at once, and yeah, we're sorry the confirmation you entered isn't working. Please review and try again. Otherwise, choose a different option. So credit card funding, no dice. So no bueno. So I actually did need to put in my debit card. I put in like $50 or something, since I don't have to really put much of anything in there. And then application pending. I do need to call them back, which they ask a couple questions, and then typically you're good to go. So there is that. So the math. $300 bonus for $300 direct deposit. That is 100% return on your money. That is return to direct deposit. So that's phenomenal. Power ranking. I do power ranking based upon math and not upon feelings. So $300 bonus is worth 3 points in the bank account bonus central scale. Within 6 weeks, they typically do pay out much faster than that. So I give 3 points for there. The metric, 100% return on direct deposit. So that is max points there. I gave a 2 point boost for no checks pull. So shout out to no checks pull. So the total points 12, 3, 6, 12, and then 2 bonus points for no checks pull. So that's 14 points. So that puts us in the top category. So there's not too many bonuses in top category. No checks pull, 100% return. They do pay out faster than within 6 weeks. Most of them do, which is really nice. So bank account bonus central verdict. Hancock Whitney was the second bank bonus I ever collected. It's definitely not going to be the last. They used to be once per calendar year, but switched to every 2 years, and now back to every other calendar year. Take advantage of the bonus if you're in footprint and able to do so. Highly recommend. So if you're traveling in one of the states, in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Florida, I think it was. I don't remember. It's at the beginning of the video. Anyway, so highly recommend. So this is going to be, God willing, my fifth time to get approved. I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, hit me up, tradingadventures@gmail.com, and I will get back to you rather quickly. And finally, today's question: is Jesus God or just a man? So a lot of people think that Jesus was just a man, nothing special, did some interesting things. But here's what Doubting Thomas is. Doubting Thomas has a bad rap as he doesn't believe, and people think he still doesn't believe. So now Thomas, called the twin, one of 12, was not with them when Jesus came back. The other disciples therefore said to him, "We've seen the Lord," after he was crucified. So he said to them, "Unless I see his print, the hands in his hands, the print of the nails, and put my finger into the print of the nails, and put my hand into the sides, I will not believe." Some people just stopped there. But after 8 days, his disciples were again inside. Thomas was with them this time. Jesus came with the door being shut. So Jesus went through a wall or through a door and stood in the midst of them, saying, "Peace to you." Then he said to Thomas, "Reach your finger here and look at my hands. Reach your hand there and put it into my side. Don't be unbelieving, but believing." Yeah, once you see the proof, you can't be doubting Thomas no more. Thomas said to him the truest statement ever, "My Lord and my God." Jesus said to him, "Thomas, because you have seen me and you have believed. Blessed are those who have not yet seen, who have not seen but yet believed." So we're all there at one point in time. We refuse to believe, but God does work in mysterious ways to show Himself. Uh, So that's what's changed my life big time. Um, the additional details about how to follow Jesus in the description box down below from Got Questions. They got some cool stuff. Another thing that causes people not to want to believe is sin. We have different sins that we want to hold on to, but the wages of sin is death. Nobody can be spiritually free if you have any type of addiction. And one of the worst addictions out there is online pornography. It's something I was exposed to well below 10 years of age. So, very common thing, but there is things out there like Covenant Eyes. I am an affiliate for Covenant Eyes, and they have a cool thing to where if you use my affiliate link, you can get your first 30 days free. I have a link in there in the description box down below if that's something that can help you and your family out. If you're still here with me, definitely appreciate that. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it. Subscribe with bell notifications so you can be amongst the first to learn about such profitable opportunities. There is a ton of huge offers. There's a huge $1,000 bonus that just popped up. Can't wait to share a video. So definitely keep that on your radar. Subscribe with bell notifications so you can take advantage of it. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.